Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how to download and install WebLogic server, and also I will show you how to download and install Fusion middleware infrastructure. So now I am going to show you how to download WebLogic server and Fusion middleware infrastructure. Minimize this one, go to your browser, open your browser, then here write Oracle or e-delivery, this one, this link, click on this e-delivery, then click Oracle Software Delivery Cloud, this link, then click sign in, then come Oracle login page. Here you write your username, password, then click sign in, then you can log in Oracle e-delivery cloud. This is Oracle e-delivery cloud dashboard. So after login you find like this. Now you write here WebLogic, then you see here come WebLogic server 12c, click, then here you find under, you see here WebLogic server 12.2.1.4.0. this version is very important. Your same version you need, your WebLogic server and infrastructure and from builder and report, same version need, otherwise you find get error. So step by step I will show you completely how can install WebLogic server, how can install infrastructure. Also I will show you how can download and install Oracle from and report 12c, and configure, how can configure Oracle from and report 12c step by step. Later I will show you. Click this link, then view item, click, then click continue, this one. Here more file come, but we need only two, this one, last one, and this one no need. We need also this one, Fusion middleware 12c, this one no need, also this one no need. So this is same version, you see here 12.2.1.4.0, 12.2.1.4.0, this is same version in under same package. Now we need to select which bit, 64-bit need select. You select here Windows 64-bit, our operating system, this one, then this one also automatic select when you select first one, then same 64-bit same, then click continue, then check mark license agreement, this one check mark, then click continue again. Then this one close. Here you see Fusion middleware 12c version showing infrastructure, this one, this here come two one we need only one, this is same one, this is slim installer WebLogic server, this one inside have WebLogic server and coherence, so we need last one, same this one no need, uncheck this one, so this one we need, and this one. Now click download, then here see download Oracle download manager come, then this is Oracle download manager, click showing folder, here see download manager automatic start download, double click this one, then This is download location. You then click next, then start loading and download. See, already downloading start. So you see here same product ID, this one 68, last this one 64, this one 68, you see this one last, and this one 64. Same product ID, start download. So now I close this one because I already downloaded before, that's why I skip this one. This is my download folder. Open this one. You see here, after download you find like this. Here you see same product key, product ID same. You see I already downloaded before this one 983364, 983364, and this one 983368. So after download you find like this. I already downloaded before, so I pause this one and close this one. Now I close this one. Also I delete this one, not completely. So like this way you can download your WebLogic server. That's why I showing, because if I showing you full download then will take time and video come big. That's why I skip this one. Go to your download folder. This is my download folder here. Then extract. First one we need to extract this one WebLogic server, this one infrastructure. So first one we need to right click, then extract file. This one click, then click OK. Now still extracting. Extracting finish. So open this folder. Then here you see this one WLS. This means WebLogic server. This one we need now install. Double click. No, double click only. Double click. Then here select Java. OK. Always. Then click OK. Now start our installing Fusion Media Layer 12c WebLogic Server 12c. Oracle Fusion Media Layer 12c WebLogic Server and Coherence installation. Then click next. Then check mark first one, skip auto update. Then click next. Then here this is very important, where you want to install your WebLogic server and infrastructure and from and report 12c. This location you need to select here. This is good before you need you create a folder where you want to install your all package from and report builder 12c. I already create a folder in C drive, so there I will install. This is my this PC. This is my directory C drive under Oracle under media layer. This folder blank C. Here I will install all form and report. So I select this one, click browse, then C drive, then Oracle, this folder open, then media layer select, then click open. So this is my installation directory. Then click next. Then first one auto select OK, WebLogic server, this one. Then click next. here checking operating system certificate, okay. Checking Java version is launch install, okay. Then if you checking operating system certification, that means your C++. If your C++ goodly not install, you get error here, not come check mark, here come cross. So you need to follow my previous all step, then you can install goodly and run your Oracle from and default builder 12c. Then click next. Then this is summary Fusion Module WebLogic server and coherence, this one. Then click install, this one. So this one install will take time. I skip this one. Still installing. Just wait little bit. So now all check mark green, so this is okay 100%. Click next. Then uncheck this one, automatic launch. Later I will show you. This one means you create domain. Later I will show you how to create domain. Now you click finish. Then now we need to install our Fusion middleware. This one installation finished. This one infrastructure Fusion middleware. So why need Fusion middleware infrastructure? Because if you install only WebLogic server, here all file, especially rcu.dat, this file not come, sometime missing. That's why WebLogic and infrastructure, this is same server related. So that's why need 2-1 install. Then you have all file find, and also you find rcu.dat. Then you can configure your from 12c. So now we need to same folder install Fusion middleware infrastructure. Go this one, go to your download folder. This is my download folder here. Then extract this one, right click, then click extract file, then click OK. Now start extracting. For extracting finish, now need install this one, the infrastructure Fusion middleware, this one, double click. Just wait little bit time. Start our Fusion middleware infrastructure installation. Start. This one processing in progress. This is Oracle Fusion middleware 12c infrastructure installation. So we click next, then click first one check mark, skip auto update, then click next. Then here you need to select your location. Before I install WebLogic server in my before created folder, middleware folder, inside this infrastructure also I will install same folder. This is very important, you need to know before I install this folder inside. So now again browse C drive, here Oracle, this folder inside middleware, this one inside. Again I will install infrastructure, this middleware. Then click This one very important, you remember. Then click open, then click next. Then select by default this one, Fusion middle layer infrastructure. Okay, then click next. Then here checking operating system. Okay, green check mark. Okay, then click next. Here showing summary. If you want, you can this all file summary you can save. Here see save response file, this one click, then you can save. Click install. Now start installing. Still installing. Saving the inventory. All green check mark. See here all green check mark means click next. This is okay. Then here see the online help. This one call how can create repository rcu.bat. This file by this base file how to create configure repository utility. That's one call. See the online help for next step. Next I will show you how to configure and create repository. So now you click finish. This one here complete successfully. So this one later I will show you how can configure and create repository. Then so like this way you can download and install your WebLogic server and Fusion middleware infrastructure. This is very important. You remember, you don't skip my any episode. You need to first to last all episode step by step watch. Then you can goodly understand and install your form and report builder 12c all package, and you can goodly run your Oracle from and report builder 12c. This is one part of Oracle from and report builder 12c. So if you feel any problem, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.